After 2 days of pure struggle, I've been feeling so ill. I'm not the best now. I'd say I'm about 60%, but I've got myself out of bed. It's like 6:30 in the morning. We're in Krabi now as well. Changed locations, but that's how ill I was. I'm too ill to record, so I was dying the whole way. Worst trip ever. The boat that we got on, we had to like kneel to get anywhere because the ceiling was so low. And then like the bus, it was one of these things. And yeah, they crammed like 3, 6, 8 people in with everyone's luggage. Look at the size of them. It's not ideal. And me and Joe were at the back, so with the worst seats. Joe's a big fucking lad, so it didn't help the situation. But yeah, I'm gonna go put my laundry in somewhere. I'm on the hunt for that now. And then I'm gonna go to the beach and chill for a bit. Maybe go to Railey Beach later on. See what Joe's saying. I think he's down the beach already. So go link up with him quick. Yeah, see what the crack is. That's where I stayed last time I was here. Sleeper hostel. I've come to the conclusion that there's going to be no laundrette services open at this time. So I'm just carrying it around with me. It is what it is. I have to do it for an hour or so. Go sit on the beach for an hour with it. Use it as a pillow, potentially. This is making me feel much better. I've missed this place. I still haven't eaten nothing. Mackey's is just breakfast and I ain't the biggest fan of it. So I'm gonna go find some in a minute, I suppose. We're stopping off, get some gas for Joe's cooker. He's just asking the bloke about it. We've just been tearing it up on his ped. I'll show you the beast. Let me show you the beast. This is the scudder. We made it onto the boat. Here's the dream. Best seats in the house as well. Right in the front. Next stop, Railey Beach.
You've got much more power than that though, isn't there?
Oh, yeah. This is about to tear.
They're rippers, man.
Penis Island. We've made it to Railey Beach. It's more beautiful than I remember as well. It's quite empty as well, to be fair. I think we got here quite early, but it's about 400 degrees. I'm sweating one out. Still recovering as well, so that doesn't help.
You can actually get Thai pancakes from them. No. 20 years ago.
So we've just been told that the monkeys don't come out until the afternoon, 4 or 5. Which, I believe it, but I don't.
What did you hear last time?
Probably about 4 or 5. I think I can hear some. Or was that birds? I'm not sure, but the monkey hunt continues. That's one way to do it, tractor everywhere.
We've come down with a little sign here.
We're on our way to the Cock Cave. Then we're just gonna chill out. We've just been chilling out all day really. It's fucking too drained to do anything. Just taking it slow. Recovering. We'll be fine tomorrow. That's what I'm thinking. I've got belief. Gotta have belief. Manifest it. It's an educational holiday for this young boy. The Cock Cave. We're here. Look at the size of them. It's so random. It's so random. I think we may have encountered our first monkey. Oh, it's a shop. Joe, that'll have you up, mate. Don't try it.
No kid, no way.
Don't try to stroke that.
¿Cómo lo explico? ¿Cómo llevo la camisa? Va, venga,
Whoa, there's loads. I don't like this. Found a family of monkeys. Oh. The camera's going away though, because he will rob it. I ain't got a strong hand. Look, they're all coming. Quick little update. We're on our way to Diamond Cave. We've left the beach. It's been a struggle of a day. What do you reckon?
Oh, it's hot. I'm ill.
You're looking tanned though.
Feeling it.
Look at you. Yeah, so we're on our way to the cave. I think we're here near enough.
We're sweating that out.
We're sweating out for sure. Yeah, so hopefully there's a pool inside the cave as well. If there is, I might take a dip. Joe definitely will take a dip. He loves just jumping in the water.
Diagon Alley.
Diagon Alley. So it's sketchy. Just put a plank there. No, like we are gonna drop something. Whoa, didn't like that. I got my phone in my pocket, very bad idea. Slightly terrified of this walking bridge thing. This is sick! A go!
Whoa. That don't even look real.
That's got to be man-made.
That don't even look real.
That's cool.
That looks like a marshmallow.
This is seriously impressive. Not too sure. Maybe. Oh, I want to see the size of the spider that's made that web then. It's got to be a fat one for sure.
You didn't see the spiders, mate, up this jungle trek yesterday.
They're big.
Mate, I'm talking like that, like big black and yellow. Like.
Oh. I'm not a fan of spiders. That's one thing I'm not a fan of. This is serious. We just climbed up there. There's a bit of a sticky one because I don't know if you're allowed up there, so I was pranging it out a bit. But we sent it either way. Some pictures will be on the Instagram, so check that out. Check those out as well. We just found a place and it looks like it does some seriously good chicken. I'll show you now. That looks seriously good. We've found a place we're going to play pool at as well, so just waiting for Joe to get his water, his bottle of water. And then we're going to go and play some pool. It's one thing we've learned about the Thais as well. They always extend the last word of the sentence. How you doing? Like that. Sabadi mai. Sabadi mai. Pool table's a bit flat, but we can work with it. This is a vibe. Nice little swing head. This will get lively in the night as well. Nice upstairs. It's a vibe, it's a vibe. It's a big vibe. We've just been sitting here straight vibing. Doing nothing. Chilling out. Just recouping. The music's going off as well. I'm feeling much better. 90% there, 10% recovery still. Joe, what percent do you reckon you are? I'm 90% good.
I'm like 10%. Quite easily. 7 out of 10.
It needs that sleep.
I do need recovery.
It needs that sleep.
I think I might get a massage at some point.
Yeah. Don't know how that will fucking. I don't know how you'll do with that.
I don't know how that's gonna sort
Yeah,
out.
someone touching you up when you want to touch your hair and start coughing everywhere. I've just played one of the locals at pool. 1-1, but I can't do the decider because I've got to get the boat back. Joe's feeling rough. It looks like what I did a couple of days ago. So I'm not going to put them on record that much anymore, because the last thing you want when you're ill is someone putting a camera in their face like that. So yeah, go get some food later on. I don't know if Joe's going to be up for it, but it's needed. I've got my appetite back as well, so happy days. Come on, Stan. We're ready. I'm feeling revived. I'm feeling good in the hood, my boys and girls. Now, hello. This is called Skunk House. Skunk House Bar. You know me, I don't smoke the green, so I didn't get myself involved in all that skunkery. But I've had a few Fantas. I'm on a pure detox at the moment, so nothing bad is going into my body except from Fantas and Coca-Cola. The sunset. It's a vibe setting. Yeah, this is a serious vibe. We've found a spot to sit for the sunset. Gonna whack the drone up in a minute, let's see what that looks like. But that looks beautiful to that human eye. Right, I'm on the walk back to the room. Little drone shot to finish the night with, but I've got some stuff to edit, so I'm on my way back. I'm okay, thank you, mate. Yeah, gonna get some water. Joe's already back. He's feeling rough. But yeah, wrap up a good day. Au revoir.